Hello students, myself Dr. Dhruv and welcome to my channel D Chemistry. Today we discuss Huckel rule, aromaticity, anti-aromaticity and homoaromaticity. So first, what is aromaticity or Huckel rule or Huckel 4n plus 2 pi rule? Sir Erich Huckel was a German scientist. In 1931, he proposed a theory to help determine if a planar ring molecule would have aromatic properties. His rule states that if a cyclic planar molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electron, it is considered as aromatic. Now, criteria for aromaticity. There are main four criteria for aromaticity. First, the molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electron where n may be 0 or any positive integer. Molecule must be cyclic, molecule must be planar, or all atoms must be lie in a same plane. Molecule must be fully conjugated. P orbital at every atom or in the ring must be present. First condition. Why? 4n plus 2 pi electrons. According to Huckel molecular orbital theory, a compound is particularly stable if all of its bonding molecular orbitals are filled with pair electrons. This is true of aromatic compounds, meaning they are quite stable as compared to other compounds. With aromatic compounds, 2 electrons fill the lowest energy molecular orbital and 4 electrons fill each subsequent energy level. In next slide we will see the diagram. The number of subsequent energy level is denoted by n, leaving all bonding orbital filled and no anti-bonding orbitals occupied. This gives a total number of 4n plus 2 pi electrons. This is the example of benzene. This is the benzene. This is the pi or p orbitals, and this is the electron cloud. Benzene has 6 pi electron. This is the field. 2 electron in the lowest energy orbitals and rest 4 electrons the subsequent energy orbitals, and both bonding orbitals are filled. No electron present in anti-bonding orbitals. Mean in general way you can say all bonding orbitals are filled and anti-bonding orbitals are empty. Benzene has 6 pi electron. Its first 2 electrons fill in the lowest energy orbital. This is the lowest energy orbital. And it has 4 pi electrons remaining. These 4 electrons fill in the orbitals of succeeding energy level, like here. 2 electrons is here and 2 electrons here. All of the bonding orbitals are filled, but none of the anti-bonding orbitals have any electrons. To apply 4n plus 2 pi rule, first count the number of pi electrons or pi bonds. If there are 2 pi bonds, one bonds contain 2 electrons, 2 pi bond will contain 4 electrons. Benzene has 3 pi bond, means 6 pi electrons. So first we will count the number of pi electrons, then we will apply 4n plus 2 pi rule. We can solve it. If 0 or any positive integer is n, if value of n is 0 or any positive integer, we can calculate. For example, benzene has 6 pi electron, 4n plus 2 pi, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Benzene has 6 pi electron. We can calculate the value of n. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. 4n is equal to 6 minus 2. 4n is equal to 4, n बराबर 4 upon 4 and n बराबर 1, n is equal to 1. We can get the value of n is 1 after solving the equation. So n value is 1 for benzene case. Now another condition, the molecule must be cyclic. The molecule is cyclic is pretty straightforward. Move to condition 2. If there is no ring, forget it. Mean if there is no ring in the molecule, then that cannot be aromatic. A ring must be present in the ring because, as example, Z135 hexatriene. This is the structure of Z135 hexatriene. It is also contain the 6pi electron, but it is not aromatic because there is no ring. No ring, no aromaticity. So ring is the another condition for essential condition for aromaticity. Benzene is cyclic, 6pi electron aromatic. It also contains 6pi electron, 135 hexatriene, but non-aromatic. Pyrrole aromatic. It contains 6pi electron, 2pi electron here, 2 here, and 2 is the lone pair of nitrogen. This is the similar compound, but it is not cyclic. It also contains the 6pi electron, but it is not aromatic. Similarly, tropylium ion, it is aromatic. This is the not a ring structure. Again, the same number of electron like tropylium ion, but it is non-aromatic. Cyclohexene, it is the cyclic structure but non-aromatic because there is only 2 pi electrons and though no conjugation. Tetrahydrofuran, it is a cyclic structure having lone pair but no double bond, no conjugation. It is also non-aromatic. Every atom in the ring must be conjugated so that electron cloud may be delocalized. Like this is the structure of benzene, this is the pi orbital, and this is the electron cloud, and electron cloud is circulate over here or delocalize here. Being cyclic isn't sufficient condition for aromaticity. Every atom in the ring must have an available p orbital, or every atom in the ring must be able to participate in resonance. Means there must be p orbital or every atom must be participate in the resonance. Then it will be aromatic. A continuous ring of p orbitals around the ring that build into a larger cyclic pi system like benzene. It is a cyclic compound and these are the pi orbitals. These are also forming a ring type electron cloud ring structure. Remember that the available p orbital condition applied just to atoms that are part of a pi bond, but also atom bearing a lone pair. Like in previous slide, we have discussed nitrogen containing lone pair, a radical like tropylium ion, or an empty p orbital is a carbocations. They can also help in conjugation. Note, the key thing is that kills conjugation is sp3 hybridized atom. If a molecule contain in a ring sp3 hybridized atom, it kills the conjugation because sp3 is a saturated hydrocarbon. It has 4 bonds, so no conjugation is present and such atom cannot participate in the resonance. These are the example of ring must be conjugated. Alternative, every atom in the ring must have an available p orbital. For every alternative atom must be in the ring must be able to participate in resonance like aromatic. So 5-membered ring nitrogen containing lone pair is participating. If condition is this is the sp3 nitrogen. sp3 means nitrogen has 4 bond. There is no lone pair available here, so it will be not aromatic because it cannot participate in the aromaticity. Again, this is the aromatic because it has the negative charge on carbon, and this lone pair will participate in conjugation in the ring, but this molecule will not be aromatic. It is cyclic, but this carbon is sp3 carbon. It kills the aromaticity or it kills the resonance. This molecule is aromatic, all ring conjugated atom. sp3 carbon, it is non-aromatic because this is the sp3 carbon and no conjugation, no ring current will be here. This molecule again will be the aromatic because this volume shifted here, this positive charge be here. Overall delocalization or resonance is here. But here this is the sp3 carbon, it not be aromatic due to the presence of this sp3 carbon. Now next condition is the molecule must have 4n plus 2 pi electrons. The third condition is the cyclic conjugated molecule must have the correct number of pi electrons. Example, benzene and cyclooctatetraene. Both are cyclic and conjugated, but benzene is aromatic and cyclooctatetraene is not. The difference is that benzene has 6 pi electron and cyclooctatetraene is 8 pi electron, as we have discussed in earlier slide that how we can calculate the value of pi electron. If pi electron value matches any number in this series, then they have the capacity of aromaticity. This is the magic series. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22 and so on. 2 when value of n is 0. 6 when value of n is 1. 10 when value of n is 2. Example, when value of n is 0, 4 into 0, 0, 2, 2 electrons. So this 2. When 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6 electrons. Like in benzene, 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus, 2, 10 electron and so on. So we can calculate the value of pi electron. This is the magic series 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, and if the pi electron value matches this magic series value, then the compound will be aromatic. The condition that aromatic molecule must have 4n plus 2 pi electron is sometimes also called Huckel rule. Okay, Huckel rule is also called 4n plus 2 pi electron. These are some examples of aromatic compounds. 6 pi electron matches the magic series, aromatic. 6 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule, aromatic. 2 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule, aromatic. 4 pi electron do not fulfill Huckel rule, so it is not aromatic. 10 pi electron, it also fulfill Huckel rule condition, it is also aromatic. 6 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule condition, it is also aromatic. Cyclooctatetraene, 8 pi electron do not fulfill the Huckel rule, though it is cyclic, it is not aromatic compound. 4 pi electron do not fulfill Huckel rule, it's not come under magic series because magic series is 2, 6, 10. So 4 electron is not in magic series, so it is not aromatic. 10 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule, it will show aromatic. 6 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule, again it will aromatic. 10 pi electron fulfill Huckel rule, it is aromatic. 4 pi electron, it is not fulfilling the Huckel rule, so it do not show aromaticity. Now next condition, the molecule must be flat. Okay, it is another essential condition or the fourth condition of aromaticity. The molecule must be flat or planar. Aromaticity is such a property worth 20 to 36 kilocalorie per mole is molecule stable. That generally a molecule is cyclic, conjugated and 4 pi electron, 4n plus 2 pi electron, and molecule must be flat. These are the four conditions of aromaticity. For example, a prominent exception is isomer 10 aniline. This is the 10 aniline having 10 electron, but it is not aromatic. This is the aromatic. This is the 10 electron. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double bond means 10 electron aromatic. It is also 5 double bond 10 pi electron, but it is not aromatic. The reason, due to this repulsion of HH, this molecule is not flat. Okay, this molecule is not flat and delocalization of these electrons is not possible. Ring current is break due to the repulsion. The molecular structure is not flat. But here the molecular structure is flat or planar. For delocalization is possible in all the electrons. So this is the aromatic. This is the same plane, all carbon-carbon pi bond. So it is aromatic. There is all not same plane or not a flat conformation. It is non-aromatic. Various types of aromatic compounds are here. Homocyclic aromatic compound like benzene mean a ring are formed the similar type of atom carbon, benzene. Heterocyclic aromatic compound mean when a heteroatom oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur is present in the ring but it showing the aromatic character. This is called heterocyclic aromatic compound like pyridine. Okay, 5-membered rings, pyrrole. 5-membered rings, pyrrole is also aromatic. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon mean two or more simple aromatic rings are fused together to neighboring carbon atoms like naphthalene, anthracene. These all are aromatic because they are polycyclic aromatic compound. These are the general classification of aromatic compound: homocyclic, heterocyclic, 5-membered, polycyclic. In the ring, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 pi electron aromatic. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 pi electron aromatic. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 pi electron aromatic because nitrogen lone pair and this negative charge lone pair is participating here. Again this is aromatic, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 pi electron. But here 2 plus 2, 4 because in ring only 2 pi bond and these are not in conjugation. The conjugation is here, here or here to here. It is the non-aromatic compound because 4n plus 2 is equal to 4 pi electrons. The condition is 2, 6, 10. That is the magic phrase to be aromatic. So this compound is non-aromatic. Now Huckel rule, aromaticity versus anti-aromaticity. Till now we have discussed aromaticity and now we will discuss anti-aromaticity. Anti-aromaticity is a characteristic of cyclic molecule with a pi electron system that has higher energy due to the presence of 4n electron in it. In aromatic compound there are 4n plus 2 pi electron, but in anti-aromatic compound there are 4n electrons. Unlike aromatic compounds which follow Huckel rule, 4n plus 2 pi electron and highly stable, anti-aromatic compounds are highly unstable and highly reactive. To avoid the instability of anti-aromatic molecule may change shape, becoming non-planar and therefore breaking some of the pi interaction. The term anti-aromaticity was first proposed by Sir Ronald in 1967 as a situation in which a cyclic delocalization of electron is destabilized. This is called anti-aromaticity or phonelectron called anti-aromatic compound. Now, the criteria for anti-aromaticity are as follows. The molecule must be cyclic and completely conjugated like aromatic. Molecule must be planar like aromatic. The molecule must have a complete conjugated pi system like aromatic within the ring. The molecule must have 4n pi electrons, where n is any integer with the conjugated pi system, positive integer 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Means only the difference, these three conditions are same or nearly same, but only the difference is aromatic compound and 4n plus 2 pi electron and anti-aromatic compound and 4n pi electron. The value of n is same in both cases, 0, 1, 2, 3 or any positive integer. The difference with example, benzene it is aromatic, cyclobutadiene it is anti-aromatic. Benzene has 6 pi electron, we will fill 2 electron in lower occupied orbital and 4 electrons is here. These are the bonding orbitals, these are the non-bonding orbitals, anti-bonding orbitals. In anti-aromatic compound, 2 electrons are filled in bonding orbitals and 2 electrons are filled in non-bonding orbitals. So this is the difference. All bonding orbitals are filled in aromatic compound and here all orbitals are not filled. The stability, aromatic compound is more stable, non-aromatic compounds are then and anti-aromatic compounds are less stable. Order of reactivity, anti-aromatic compounds are more reactive, non-aromatic are less than reactive, anti-aromatic and aromatic are very less reactive. It's the vice versa of stability versus reactivity. These are the another examples. Aromatic, usually unusually stable. Cyclic, conjugated 4n plus 2 pi flat. Example benzene, resonance energy 36 kilocalorie per mole. Anti-aromatic, unusually unstable. Cyclic, conjugated 4n pi electron. Here 4n plus 2 pi electron, 4n electron. Sorry, structure is flat like cyclobutadiene, only stable below minus 100 degree. This is the compound. Everything else non-aromatic fails any of the four criteria. The difference is aromatic and anti-aromatic only 4n pi electron and 4n plus 2 pi. This is fails all other four criteria. Mean it does not come under in any one of the criteria is failed, then this compound is come under non-aromatic. Cyclooctatetraene adopts a tub-like shape to escape anti-aromaticity. Okay, its structure is tub-like, so it escapes anti-aromaticity and become non-aromatic compound. Aromatic molecules are cyclic, conjugated, having 4n plus 2 pi electron and are flat. Anti-aromatic compounds are cyclic, conjugated, have 4n pi electrons and are flat. Non-aromatic compounds are every other molecules that fails one of these conditions. Okay, mean fails to fulfill the one of these four conditions. On the example or a note, anilines are monocyclic compound containing alternating ring double bond such as benzene but of different size. According to systematic nomenclature, benzene is a 6 aniline while cyclobutadiene is 4 aniline, whereas cyclooctatetraene is 8 aniline. Formerly 4-aniline, better known as cyclobutadiene, anti-aromatic. Formerly 6-aniline, better known as benzene, aromatic. Formerly 8-aniline, better known as cyclooctatetraene, non-aromatic. Adopts the shape-like structure. Now, what is the major difference between anti-aromatic or aromatic compound? The structure must be cyclic for aromatic but not anti-aromatic compounds. Mean anti-aromatic compound may be slightly vary from cyclic. Anti-aromatic compound have at least one sp3 hybridized atom in the ring. Anti-aromatic compound can assume a chair-like structure while aromatic compounds are nearly flat. Aromatic compounds cannot have a charge atom in the structure. Only aromatic compounds follow Huckel rule or 4n plus 2 pi rule. Why anti-aromatic compounds are highly unstable? Greater the delocalization energy or resonance energy of a compound, the compound will be more stable. The resonance energy can be calculated using Huckel molecular orbital theory HMOT. Anti-aromatic compounds have zero resonance energy, hence are unstable. According to Huckel molecular orbital theory, delocalization energy equal to pi electron bonding energy subtracted by total energy of isolated double bond in a classical structure. That's the delocalization energy. Now we have learned aromatic and homoaromatic compound. Now anti-aromatic compounds, sorry. Now homoaromatic compounds. So what are homoaromatic compounds? When cyclooctatetraene is dissolved in concentrated H2SO4, a proton adds to one of the double bond to form the homotroponium ion. This is the homotroponium ion. One H is add any of the double bond. This species an aromatic sextet is spread over 7 carbon. Except this sp3 carbon, the aromatic sextet is spread over 7 carbon. As in the troponium ion, the 8 carbon is an sp3 carbon, so cannot take part in the aromaticity. This is the sp3 carbon having 4 bonds, so it is not taking part in the aromaticity. The NMR spectra shows the presence of diatropic ring current. Mean this the localization of ring current Hb and Ha. Hb is shielded due to this ring current and Ha is deshielded. The value of Ha is 5.1 delta value and Hb is 0.3. H1 and H7, H1 and H7 6.4 delta value, H2 to H6 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have delta value 8.5. Basically, this part comes under aromatic region 6.5 to 8.5. So this shows the proof of aromaticity, and this Hb is shielded by this ring current and this Ha is deshielded because it is the above or away from the ring, so it is deshielded. So homoaromatic compound, which may be defined as a compound that contains one or more sp3 hybridized carbon atom in an otherwise conjugated cycle, meaning like in this example only one sp3 carbon. This may be more than one sp3 carbon in a ring compound. This is the basic definition of aromaticity. Homoaromaticity means compound that contain one or more sp3 hybridized carbon atom in an otherwise conjugated cycle. This is called homoaromatic compound. In order for the orbital to overlap most effectively so as to close a loop, the sp3 atoms are forced to lie almost vertically above the plane. This is the sp3 carbon. This is forced to lie above the plane, and these are in the same plane, showing diatropic ring current, showing aromaticity. HB is directly above the aromatic sextet, and HA so is shifted the upfield. This HB upfield is the downfield. All homoaromatic compounds so far discovered are ion till now. The all discovered homoaromatic compounds are ion, and it is questionable as to whether homoaromatic character can exist in uncharged system. Homoaromatic ions of 2 and 10 electrons are also known in literature. So, dear students, today we have learned aromaticity that follow 4n plus 2 pi rule, planar, conjugation, resonance energy, and anti-aromatic compounds containing 4n pi electron system, and homoaromatic compounds 1 sp3, one or more than 1 sp3 carbon in ring. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.